Hello everybody, Photojunky here from Photojunky's Drone Zone. In this video, I am reviewing the Artman V-Mount Battery Pack. It has handled everything I have thrown at it. It handled a tablet, 2 cell phones, and a LED light. Probably because this thing is heavy. It blows my old one out of the water, which has also got a little weight to it, but is slightly cheaper, but in no way carries the same kind of power or charge that this one does. After everything I charged and running an LED light for 15 minutes as a test, it is still on 93%, which caught me by surprise. Why should everybody have one of these or something like this? Because when the power goes out...
Lose you?
No.
it can get ugly. It has various types of connectors, a C-type connector, a mini USB, and a USB connector. So I definitely recommend this unit, and thanks for watching.